Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're bringing you a video that's perfect for those looking to shed a few pounds without compromising on taste. We'll be sharing 10 delicious and nutritious snack ideas that can support your weight loss journey. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be bland or boring. Let's dive right into it. 1. Avocado toast with a twist. Our first snack idea is a classic with a twist. Avocado toast is a popular choice, but we're going to take it up a notch. Mash half an avocado, spread it on whole grain toast, and top it with sliced tomatoes, a sprinkle of feta cheese, and a drizzle of balsamic glaze. This creamy, savory, and satisfying snack is packed with healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. 2. Greek yogurt parfait. Next up is a Greek yogurt parfait. Layer low-fat Greek yogurt with your favorite berries, granola, and a drizzle of honey. This snack is not only delicious but also rich in protein, probiotics, and essential vitamins. 3. Veggie sticks with hummus. For a crunchy and savory treat, grab some colorful veggie sticks like carrots, cucumber, and bell peppers. Pair them with a portion of homemade hummus for a nutrient-packed and satisfying snack. 4. Apple slices with nut butter. Apples are a great source of fiber and vitamins, and when paired with nut butter, they become a delightful combination of sweet and creamy. Slice your favorite apple and dip it in almond or peanut butter for a tasty and filling snack. 5. Rice cake with cottage cheese and berries. If you're looking for a low-calorie option, rice cakes are your best friend. Top a rice cake with a dollop of low-fat cottage cheese and some fresh berries. It's a light and refreshing snack that's perfect for a quick bite. 6. Protein-packed smoothie. Smoothies are an excellent way to pack in nutrients while keeping the calorie count in check. Blend together spinach, frozen berries, a scoop of protein powder, and a splash of almond milk for a delicious and protein-rich smoothie. 7. Baked sweet potato chips. Craving something crunchy? Make your own guilt-free sweet potato chips. Slice sweet potatoes thinly, toss them in olive oil, sprinkle some paprika and sea salt, then bake until crispy. These chips are a healthier alternative to store-bought ones. 8. Quinoa salad cups. Quinoa is a fantastic source of protein and fiber. Prepare a quinoa salad with diced cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, fresh herbs, and a light lemon vinaigrette. Serve it in small lettuce cups for a delightful and wholesome snack. 9. Cottage cheese stuffed peppers. Spice up your snack game by stuffing mini bell peppers with low-fat cottage cheese and a sprinkle of chili flakes. These mini stuffed peppers are not only delicious but also a great source of protein and vitamins. 10. Dark chocolate-covered almonds. Last but not least, a little indulgence won't hurt. Dip raw almonds in melted dark chocolate and let them cool. These chocolate-covered almonds are a satisfying treat with the added benefits of antioxidants from the dark chocolate. Conclusion. There you have it, 10 healthy and mouth-watering snack ideas for weight loss. Remember, making small, sustainable changes to your diet can go a long way in achieving your health goals. So, next time you reach for a snack, try one of these options and treat your body with love and nourishment. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more nutritious and delicious recipes. Stay healthy and happy, and we'll see you in the next video.